I'm Lyla Cousins. I'm from Calgary. I've come here to Lithuania to get a hip replacement. I've had a bit of a journey with my hip. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, good day.
Good morning. Although it's only been a year that I've had trouble. It started on a long distance walk in the UK where my knee was hurting. But it wasn't the knee. They figured it was this.
It took a year to find out.
Yes. About a month ago, got another x-ray and it indicated that yes, I have bone on bone. I need a hip replacement, and the orthopedic surgeon suggested Lithuania. Physio suggested Lithuania, and my family doctor said Lithuania, go for it. Why not Canada? Because if I want the hip done in Canada on the public system, I have to wait 3 years. Then I don't have to pay. But if I want it done privately in Canada, I will be paying $28,000 Canadian dollars.
I have been operated myself.
Have you?
Yeah, the hip, but not the prosthesis. I will need one in 15, 20 years.
Okay.
So it's okay.
Okay.
I know what it feels
good.
like, so it's...
Okay. The surgeon came in and I was in a state of not being nervous because it was time. I think Venus is a key component to this whole situation here. He gives you a lot of confidence. He's a lot of fun. He's really nice. He really listens to you. The one day I went in and I said in the afternoon, because we have sessions twice a day, I said, I'm sore and I'm tired. Okay, we take it easy on you. Or the one day I went down and my back was really sore. Okay, I give you some back exercises. And I think the best thing about him is he gives you the confidence. Like, you can go down the stairs backwards. You can. And then today, you walk without crutches and you can do it. And you don't want to let him down, sort of. So he's really good. He's really good. He's a very kind, lovely fella. Yeah. It was bad back in May. I could hardly make a meal even. It was so painful to move around even the kitchen, and I love cooking. So all of that will be more efficient. I want to get back to long distance walks. I really enjoyed that. I don't know about the running. I honestly don't know if that's in the cards for me, but I definitely will be doing long walks and that kind of thing. Here I go home with a smile on my face. I've been well looked after, and you know, I haven't had to make meals. It's just been easy, and I get the physio twice a day, and it's been really nice having another Canadian here. It really has been nice.